EU GMP Annexure 1 is a key guideline of European Union. It specifically focuses the manufacturing of sterile drug products such as ophthalmic products, injectables, sterile powder, and etc. The main scope of EU Annexure is to ensure the manufacturing of drug as per current good manufacturing practice and minimize the risk of contamination such as microbial contamination, particulate contamination, and pyrogenic contamination. This EU GMP Annexure 1 consists of 10 sections. For our clean room qualification, 3 sections are very important: premises, utilities, and equipment. In this video, we are going to discuss the overview of these 3 important things. If you are first time here, please subscribe our channel. Welcome to PHARING, a channel of pharmaceuticals. I am your Shaktivel. This EU GMP Annexure 1 are led by 2 major principles. One is quality risk management and another one contamination control strategy. What is the meaning of quality risk management? It is a systemic approach used to identify the risk of quality of the product. It is applicable to all pharmaceutical appliances, not just for a sterile product. I given one example. A validation team identifies that the handling of sterile solution under lab is maybe a chance of highly risk contamination. Now we should identify the solution further. So contamination control strategy is used to identify the solution for quality risk management. If you use the isolators for filling approach, it may be reduce the microbial contamination. In simply, how can we say quality risk management is a method to analyze and manage the risk. Contamination control strategy is the complete system used to control the contamination as per quality risk management. In this EU GMP, these 2 principles are controlled under pharmaceutical quality system. This is a overall umbrella to ensure the quality of product and patient safety. The first session, equipment. According to this annexure, the equipment which is used in the clean room should be designed, evaluated, and installed before entering into the operational qualification. For example, water system and HVAC system. The designing of equipment is determined based on the URS. At the same time, the cleaning of equipment must and should evaluate and assessed to remove the residue and debris. Likewise, this equipment section described each and every data about every equipment which is involved in the clean room operations. For example, sterilization of direct and indirect product contact parts. Conveyor belt should not pass through a partition between grade A or grade B, and material should be transferred from lower grade area to higher grade area with unidirectional passbacks. Now let us move to the second session, utility. I will provide some example: manufacturing vessel, water system, cleaning reagents, and product contact parts. These all are comes under the category utilities. But the main critical utility, water system. The quality of water should be maintained within the limit for physical, chemical, and microbial parameters. The purification of water system like multigrade filtration, ultrafiltration, reverse osmosis, and electrodeionization, all each and every process should be evaluated before the manufacturing of drug products. And the second critical utility, gases. In our pharmaceutical industry, we are using 2 main gas, compressed air and nitrogen air. This also validates the same micro, physical, and chemical properties. Gases used in aseptic process should be filtered through the sterilized filter of 0.22 micrometer. Likewise, many informations described in this section, utilities. The last final one, premises. According to the EU GMP Annexure 1, clean rooms are classified into 4 major grades: grade A, B, C, and D. Filling area, lab or filling isolators comes under the grade A. Remaining filling supporting areas are comes under grade B. Manufacturing areas comes under grade C, and some change rooms are comes under grade D. This section provides a comprehensive guideline on design, construction, layout, and maintenance of clean rooms. What is the flow of clean room qualification? What are the materials are used to construct the clean room? How to construct the clean room? Likewise, all the details are mentioned in this section, premises. For example, the parameters such as airflow, differential pressure, temperature, humidity, particular level, everything should be controlled and maintained within the specified limit. And the layout of clean room, movement of personnel, materials and equipment, designing of surface, and designing of wall, ceiling, floors, everything should be mentioned in this section. In our future video, we will discuss of this each and every session elaborately. This video only focus on the overview of EU GMP Annexure 1. I hope you all understood about that. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Bye.